What's up, everybody, and welcome to some Rules of Survival. Now, I've played several matches of this, and I'm already a bronze 1, but I decided today, you know what, I should probably record, because for some reason, I usually have good luck when I'm recording, when I play Battle Royale type games. Except for Fortnite. Done 2 live streams now on my main channel to try and get a win, and still have yet to win. I've gotten really close, so I've gotten like top threes and lots of top tens and all that stuff. Still can't win, but for some reason I can win on here. I won my first match not too long ago on here, and I didn't even know it. I didn't even know I won until the chicken popped up on the screen and said, "Congratulations, you are a winner," or whatever it says when you win on here. But I'm actually pretty good at this game, in my opinion. For it being a mobile battle royale, it has great graphics, great controls. I can't really complain. There was another one that everybody says is good, which is Knives Out. I have yet to try it. I have it on my wish list in the App Store. One of these days I will try Knives Out. But for right now, I really like Rules of Survival. It's really fun. I'm actually going to try something different. I'm going to try a different strategy here. I'm going to jump out as soon as it gives me the option. Okay, there we go. Let's do this. I doubt I'll live long, but I'm trying it. We're going in. Try to land right here at this pyramid. Probably have like 30 other people landing here. I got one other person so far. It's a lot less than I thought. I don't really see a lot of people. That doesn't mean anything. Hurry up and reload. No telling when I'll run into somebody here. I'm not gonna lose to somebody who's punching me. Not happening, dude. You got close though, which is scary. I really thought one of these was a med kit. Crap. I was wrong. Insufficient storage, of course. Well, I'm dead. For the record, because I'm hearing lots of shooting and I cannot carry any more stuff. I'm literally a one shot because of that guy that ran up and started punching me. Well, I could find out where all this shooting was coming from. I could like probably kill the survivor or something, and I could get some med kits. Where are you? I see no one. Where are some med kits, man? Woohoo! Level 1 backpack. Is that directed towards me? I hear shooting. Sound like a shotgun. Nope, that's not directed towards me, but I'm running. Goodbye, everyone. I'm leaving. Reload stuff as I go. Make sure I've got a good arsenal ready for a fight. I did not realize I had no pistol bullets. That's just great. I'm not good at driving on here. I'm not doing it. How far am I away? Not that bad. To be honest, I thought I'd already be dead. Wonder what you were carrying. Please have medkits, please have medkits. Please, for my sake. Dang it. Is there anything in here? I doubt it. Ooh, a red dot sight. That's not gonna save my life. Will help me when it comes to shooting somebody long range, though. For the record, when I won a game of this, I did not spawn in at the very beginning. I waited until almost the end. Waiting for somebody to just run up and hit me with a frying pan. Give me your med kits if you have any. He did. He did. Take that level 2 backpack, rifle ammunition, level 3 armor. Thank you for the bandages, my good man. Wow, that really improves my health a lot. Thanks, bandages. I can tell what really needs some improvement in this game. Is that directed at me? I can hear somebody shooting. You're trying to hit me, you're an awful shot because you shot 3 times and missed. Goodness. Bandages need a very big update in how much they do for you. I need to get moving. I'm so close to the circle. I'm just gonna keep healing. Have I used... I've used more than half of what I started out with. That's ridiculous. Alright, time to get in this circle before I die. I know a lot of other people are running towards the circle. If I stay out in it, they'll probably see me and probably shoot. Just a guess, though. Just a hunch. You see, there's somebody. Headshot. Yeah, you better run away. Where did they stop? I can still hear the car. I can hear it through my headset. Now I can't. Okay. You're shooting. They were probably shooting at the car. Oh, the circle did not shrink that much. Oh yeah, it did on that bottom side, bottom left side. I see you over there. Tagged him right in the head, my dudes. Didn't kill him, but he knows. Somebody saw him. Question is he dumb enough to face me? I'm gonna go with a yes. Change my mind. He's not. He ran away. That was a very nice shot, though. I'm gonna give myself some credit for that. Unless he had bandages, he's gonna be a little low in health for a little while. Told you guys, I'm actually good at this game. I wish I was actually good at Fortnite, though. You know, I'm really confident in myself on this match. I really feel like I'm going to win. I've got level 3 armor. I think a level 2 helmet, maybe? It's either level 2 or 3 helmet. Got a nice level 2 backpack. Got over 200 rounds of assault rifle ammunition. A nice assault rifle red dot sight. Pretty accurate with it, too. I think I'm going to win. I have used the sniper rifle in this game before, but I wasn't very good with it. So anytime I see something that will probably be a sniper rifle, I don't pick it up. For a second there, I thought that bush was a person until it came in all the way. People need to die faster. There's still 41 other people. Ooh, bandages. How are people not dying right now? It seems strange to there be like 40 something people in and around this circle and nobody's dying. There we go. Oh, somebody has an SVD. I'm pretty sure it's a sniper rifle in this game, if I'm not mistaken. I don't think I'm gonna go in there. One, it's not gonna be in the circle much longer, and two, there's probably a lot of people down there right now. I don't like getting in major gunfights, but I'll get in a gunfight. I'll probably walk off victorious. I really should start getting more into the center of the circle. I've been staying on the outskirts this whole time. Maybe everybody's in the center. Swear I heard somebody. I guess not. I guess I'm hearing things in my headset. Sweet. A couple of people just died because they were caught in a storm. I'm not gonna go down there. I don't feel like trying to get back up. There we go. People are starting to die. Get all the idiots out of the match that couldn't make it to the circle. Tell you what, man, I think I saw Danny's name again. It's probably like the third or fourth time I've seen it. Dude must be pretty good and must have a lot of bandages. Either that or else he's catching people off guard. I wish the bombing runs would go through the entire match. It would be pretty cool. Could you imagine how many people would probably die as the circle gets smaller because of how much room that bombing run takes up? It'd be funny. It would make the game a little bit more exciting too because more people would die. I don't know if there's fall damage. I'm not gonna gamble with this one. Might lose. You see, my strategy for this at the beginning, I wait to jump out until mostly everybody is out, and then I run and gun it. I pretty much just run and gun. That's how I play these kind of games. I run and gun. Except for Fortnite, I do a lot of hiding. I just heard a lot of guns pop off in the distance. Don't know where though. One sounds like a suppressed SMG, the other sounded like a shotgun. A lot of people just died outside the safe zone. Goodness. If I end up winning, I suggest you guys use my strategy. You don't have to spawn at the beginning because this strategy works for wherever you spawn. Just run and gun. Make sure you always get to the circle in time. Just constantly run and gun your way through this. I like swimming though. That's a pretty cool feature. In the final 15, I knew I'd have to swim across this at some point. I wonder if you get deducted points just because you were killed outside of the zone. That would be funny. I don't know if I can trust all this tall grass, but you know. Keep my eyes peeled. I think I'm gonna hide for a second. In this little corner. Because I'm inside the circle, I'm in the final 15. I don't want to make a wrong move. It's very easy to make a wrong move. And firing weapons, if people play with their volume up, will hear you. And it'll make it to where a lot of people go in your direction. And you know, that's not really a good thing. I still have no pistol bullets. I just realized that. Yeah, I see him. He's up there. I'm debating whether I should keep running and gunning or not. Because I know hiding's a pretty good strategy too. Running and gunning always seem to work for me. I don't know. We'll see where the next circle is. More than likely, I'll have to get up. If I have to get up, I'll go back to running and gunning. If I don't have to get up, I'll just stay here and we'll see what happens next. Depending on how low the number goes, depends on if I get up and run and gun. The number's going pretty low though. Down to the final 10. There's the storm. Nobody's died to it yet, so that means that somebody's either dying or everybody's in the circle. I'm gonna go with everyone's in the circle. Ah, oh, crap. Alright. Well, we're running and gunning the rest of this. Wish me luck. Oh, there's a mass grave site for you. I think there's like 3 boxes over there. Okay, you can quit lagging right now. I've never had lag issues with you. Now stop it. That's real good to hear. Shooting. What'd I say, game? Don't jumping down like an idiot. You'll die. Especially to the hands of me. Headshot you, you fool. I can hear walking all around me. I'm not liking where the circle's coming. It's around this building and I'm not liking it. Knowing there's 6 other people in this tiny little circle besides me is actually kind of frightening. And it's kind of nerve-wracking because I want another win. But I know the odds of me dying are very high. Woohoo! Gotcha. Probably tried to snipe me. That's two people that tried to kill me while I was in that corner. It's such a tiny circle. Dang it! I was getting shot from the right side. There's a guy in front of me. I didn't know what to do. I placed 6th though. I got 40 points. I got 5 kills. I'll take it. I'm not complaining. Yeah. I got 40 points. Would have had 80 something points if I would have won though. Still had a good game though. Still had a good game. Well, that's all I've got for you guys today. I suggest taking my advice, though, when it comes to running and gunning and stuff. But that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.